All right, guys, in today's video, we're going to go from the LP Engineering Air 1 to the brand new Air 2 pumper system. Variable speed, check it out. All right, guys, so today we are going to go for a bit of a helmet pumper system upgrade. We're going to go from the LP Engineering Air 1 version, which you've seen in our other video, to the brand new LP Engineering Air 2 system. Now, there's a big difference between the Air 1 and the Air 2. First off, you're going to notice the size. The Air 2 is a lower profile unit. Now, this still remains or retains a large amount of airflow at 220 CFMs, which is great. So you're getting tons of airflow. The cool thing about the Air 2 is it has an actual variable speed control right on the unit. That means you don't have to install a separate module somewhere in your car. Very convenient having it right on the actual pumper system itself. Now, what this also means is if you don't want to install a dash switch, or maybe you're running out of spots and you don't have room for a dash switch, you don't have to. As long as you provide the power to it, the positive, negative, you can not only use this to control your airflow, but it also shuts the unit on and off. So that is huge when it comes to ease of installation. The unit itself, it's going to weigh right about the same. It's like 3.5 pounds, so it's super lightweight. It also still includes their filter system. Their filter system does come with a pre-filter for their washable air filter. Mine just happens to be blue. The standard LP Engineering pre-filter comes black. You get your hoses and everything you need to get yourself rolling. I've already got all that installed in the car. So what we're going to do is we're just going to switch out the module, which is going to be super simple going from the Air 1 to the Air 2. So if you already have an Air 1 and you say, I want to jump up to the Air 2, get my new variable speed control, get a little low profile look, this is going to allow you to do so. The other cool thing about the low profile, even though it's not a lot, it's going to help in some visual situations. So if you have a 4-seater like mine and you're mounting it in between the driver and passenger seat, for your rear passengers, your rear seat people, this is going to be less obstruction of view for you, which is cool. Also, if you're in a 2-seater car and you've got it mounted between the driver and passenger, it's going to help as far as blocking things in your rear view mirror. So this, again, is going to give you really good visuals with less obstruction without really sacrificing any CFMs and airflow. So I've been super happy with my Air 1. This thing has just done a great job. In a lot of the videos that you've seen from our adventures, we're running this system and it works great. I've got it coupled up with the AMP off-road helmets, which works great. I mean, the two combined, I think, is a really good helmet air setup. Now, I already have the switch mounted on the dash, so I can still operate with that. And now I've, again, got my extra control with my variable speed down here. So what we're going to do is we're going to slap this new guy in and we're going to go off and run with it. But so far, I'm super excited. LP Engineering has done an awesome job with this new unit, and I think it's going to work really, really well. And for value for the price, I don't think you can find a variable speed unit anywhere close to the price of this unit, which is awesome. So if you're looking at saving some money, this is definitely a good route to go. So let's get these guys installed. I'll show you what it looks like inside the car. All right, guys, so we've got it installed. It went just like it did with the Air 1 version, so it mounted up the exact same way. You can see there it's a little bit lower profile, so it sits down a little lower, which is nice. So I have my control knob here. If we turn it on and we flip on our switch, we have an LED indicator light that lets you know the unit's live. And you can hear the variable speed on the airflow, so you could tune it in exactly like you want. And again, you can use this as your on and off switch, or you could use a installed switch as well. Now, I'm running the Race Air lines, or air pumper lines, which I already had. Obviously, the kit comes with some really nice air lines as well. The brackets that mount it are the same brackets that are going to be from our video. I will actually add to the description the original review video on the Air 1 version, which will have the link to those brackets and everything that you need. But a really nice upgrade from the Air 1 to go to the Air 2. And if you guys have any questions or anything more, let me know. I'll put the link to LP Engineering's website in the description as well. So that's it, guys. A little quick update going from Air 1 to Air 2. Really looking forward to using the new variable speed. And guys, again, as always, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.